Have you ever wondered where some of the most groundbreaking inventions come from? Would you believe it if I told you, many of them were inspired by nature itself? Today, we're diving into the incredible world of biomimicry, the science of mimicking nature to solve human problems. Our first invention takes us to a hike in the Swiss Alps in 1941. An engineer named Georges de Mestral noticed how burrs from plants stuck to his dog's fur and his clothes. Curious, he put them under a microscope and discovered that these burrs had tiny hooks that caught onto loops in fabric and fur. This discovery led to the creation of one of the most widely used fasteners in the world, Velcro. Velcro mimics the hook and loop system that nature created millions of years ago. It's now found in everything from spacesuits to everyday clothing. Now, let's talk about trains. But not just any train, the Japanese Shinkansen, also known as the bullet train. In the 1990s, engineers faced a problem. The train was too noisy when exiting tunnels due to air pressure differences. The solution? They turned to the Kingfisher bird. The Kingfisher's beak is perfectly shaped to slice through water with minimal splash, and this shape was adapted to the front of the bullet train. The result? A quieter, more aerodynamic, and energy-efficient train that mimics the bird's natural design. Swimming like a shark is not just a phrase, it's a reality. Sharks have tiny, tooth-like scales called dermal denticles that reduce drag and allow them to glide through water effortlessly. Engineers studied this natural feature and developed special swimsuits that mimic sharkskin. These suits reduce drag and improve speed, helping swimmers break world records. Although these sharkskin-inspired suits were later banned in competitions for being too advantageous, they remain a fantastic example of how nature's designs can enhance human performance. Wind turbines are essential for capturing renewable energy, but making them more efficient has always been a challenge. Engineers recently found an innovative solution by turning to the ocean. Humpback whales have special bumps, called tubercles, on the front of their fins. These allow them to move through water with precision and reduce drag. By adding similar bumps to wind turbine blades, engineers increase their efficiency, allowing turbines to generate more energy, even at lower wind speeds. But nature doesn't only inspire form and function, it also inspires color. Have you ever noticed the dazzling colors of a butterfly's wings? Those brilliant blues and greens aren't created by pigments. Instead, they are a result of microscopic structures that reflect and refract light. Scientists have used this principle to develop paints, fabrics, and even screens that change colors based on the angle of light, offering more vibrant and dynamic displays. These are just a few examples of how nature has inspired some of the most innovative human inventions. So, the next time you look at a bird, a plant, or even an insect, remember that they could hold the secret to the next big technological breakthrough.